Mattress review. The Simba Hybrid has over 35,000 5-star ratings. A 100-night trial is available with full refund if you don't like your Simba Hybrid mattress. Simba Mattress is made with a combination of memory foam and pocket springs. Simba design and manufacture their mattresses in the UK using high-quality materials. The Simba Mattress is a medium-firm mattress. The Simba Mattress is ideal for side and back sleepers. The mattress comes with a 10 years guarantee. Easy to purchase as you can buy online from Amazon. The unique design of the Simba mattress promises a comfortable and cool night's sleep. It is ideal for those who sleep close to edge or like to sit down while getting dressed or undressed.